If you are looking for one of the most famous local seafood restaurants in Pattaya, Khrua Ban Por Ta is a place you should never miss. This Michelin Guide recommended restaurant is loved by both locals and tourists for its fresh seafood, authentic Thai flavors, and affordable prices. The atmosphere feels warm and welcoming, like dining at a family home, while the aroma of freshly cooked seafood fills the air. Every dish is made with quality ingredients and rich traditional flavors that make each bite unforgettable. Some must-try menu items include steamed blue crab with spicy seafood sauce, stir-fried shrimp with garlic, spicy and sour squid with lime, and their rich tom yum seafood soup packed with fresh ingredients and bold flavors. One of the best things about this restaurant is the wide variety of dishes available. From seafood specialties to classic Thai comfort food, there is something for everyone to enjoy. The portions are generous, the flavors are authentic, and the prices are surprisingly affordable for the quality you get. Whether you are visiting Pattaya for the first time or searching for a true local food experience, Khrua Ban Por Ta is definitely a restaurant worth visiting at least once.